I have heard a lot about the Tmperfumehouse inspired perfumes. Are they really worth the hype? So I finally decided to try and give a genuine review. Let's check. I ordered their top 3 best selling perfumes and literally my room got filled with fragrances when I just unboxed them. These are Temptation SI and Ombre Nomade. I got this cute little envelope with my package. To be honest, I'm impressed with their cute little gift. दिखने में काफी अच्छी थी and अब ये तो मेल्स की है तो मैं अब किसको दूं? Thank you very much Tmperfumehouse for this one. Ombre Nomade is inspired by Louis Vuitton Ombre Nomade. Perfume SI is inspired by Giorgio Armani SI. Temptation clone of Victoria's Secret Temptation. Let's talk about Ombre Nomade. It has amber, oud, rose and raspberry. It has a bold, deep, smoky fragrance that gives luxury elegance for men. I literally can't find any difference between the original and the inspired one. Let's talk about Perfume SI. It has vanilla, woody, soft, spicy as basic notes. Having romantic date night plans or dinners, then this will be your companion. Honestly, this one has similarities with the original one. Finally, it's Temptation from Tmperfume. It has floral, fruity and green as basic notes. Wanna make the best first impression? Then this must be your choice. Got little bit disappointment with this clone, but this one also smells good. I personally liked all the 3 perfumes, but Ombre Nomade got my heart. So I would like to rate 100 out of 10 for Ombre Nomade, 9 out of 10 for Giorgio Armani clone, 7 out of 10 for Temptation. What are you still doing here? Run and grab your affordable luxury inspired perfumes from Toxic Male Perfume House.